What are we doing over here?
Is a take on Bananas Foster.
Okay.
Bananas Foster typically is made with rum or some liquor, sugar, butter. We're doing it with bananas, butter. I use agave, and we're going to put a little bit of almond extract just for the flavoring agent.
Okay.
Okay, so we have some butter that we're melting.
Okay.
I like cutting the bananas like this. They kind of look nice for Bananas Foster. It looks a little like bigger, a little more graphic.
So
Okay.
we
So
love bananas at any stage because at the very, very beginning when we're talking about infants, it's like an easy first food because it's easily mashable and everybody can kind of get their hands on a banana somewhere.
Exactly. You don't need to get the jarred bananas. You can just buy bananas and mash them yourself and feed it to your baby.
And it's so much cheaper too. I tell parents all the time, like, you don't
Right,
have
they're
to
very
like
easy
sit
to
there and like buy like your jarred or your pouched. And we love it at different stages because as kids get older and they want to have like finger foods, you can just slice them up into like little quarters